Nothing just happens. People make things happen. We build, we create, we innovate. There was nothing, then we did all this stuff. Except waterfalls. Nature did that. I love waterfalls. Back to it. Just a few years ago, it seemed like no matter how hard you tried to streamline your infrastructure, it was just complicated. Enter Dell EMC VxRail. HCI that's simple. It saves customers time. Precious, precious time. So, how did we go from this to this? A bunch of really smart, hardworking people. People that make things happen. People like this. They had an idea.
What if we could make managing infrastructure simpler?
Yeah, so people could spend time innovating.
Sounds great. Customer will love it.
Okay, that does sound great, but how do we get there? Step 1, we search the world for problem solvers. Other people like soccer or gardening. These people like problems.
You know, I like soccer too. They're not mutually exclusive. You can like more than one thing.
Good point. Problem solved. Next, we need something solid and stable. So we start with the industry's most trusted server. Luckily, the PowerEdge team had already built it. Awesome. How awesome are they, Prasad?
Real awesome.
Awesome. Who makes the software to power that incredible performance? It takes a global team to make that happen. It takes people like Faisal. Now the manufacturing team builds it.
Budujemy go tu, w Polsce, używając energii odnawialnej. Zapewniamy, że Twój VxRail jest zbudowany zgodnie ze specyfikacją, na czas i dokładnie tak, jak tego oczekujesz.
Solid, fast hardware, check. Okay, now it needs deeply integrated software-defined storage.
Shannon, who's this virtualization and HCI software?
That's going to be VMware. And by jointly engineering this solution with them, VxRail is a leading VMware hyperconverged system. Fully integrated, pre-configured, and pre-tested with VMware, for VMware, to enhance VMware.
And what about cloud?
Somebody say cloud? I love cloud. Private cloud, hybrid cloud. Sorry. Yeah, with cloud, we've got you covered with Cloud Foundation on VxRail. VxRail is fully integrated with SDDC Manager to deliver a simple and direct path to hybrid cloud in one complete automated platform, including Kubernetes at scale.
Okay. It should be delivered integrated with familiar VMware software and tools. Oh, you all got that?
Yeah, we got that.
Great. VxRail is turnkey. Plug and play. Okay, but how about HCI system software that seamlessly integrates with VMware tools? That's the engineering team in Shanghai. What about upgrading? What about scaling out? What about being in a continuously validated state with simple one-click updates? Yeah, they got that. All-in-one engineered, orchestrated, and validated upgrades that are downloaded and executed in a non-disruptive rolling update throughout your entire VxRail cluster? Wow, that's a lot. I need more coffee. It has to be ready for every change in our customer's environment. Who's got that?
Hi, I'm Justin. I like basketball, and ensuring customer configurations are the best fit given their workload.
Awesome. Okay, Justin, I almost forgot. It needs to be able to scale out without interrupting mission-critical operations and be backwards compatible.
We made that too.
Perfect. Expand it, shrink it, get a node that does everything, or one that's storage or performance optimized. And to make sure everything is updated with the latest versions, we built a simulation lab. It continually runs all kinds of tests. Fixing things before they cause a problem? Awesome. Jim, what's something your team has proactively solved?
Most recently, we were doing an upgrade on our largest cluster, a 64-node
Wow, that's some really important technical stuff. And Jim just loves it. He and his team solve problems, so you don't have to. When new features and functionality need to be added, that's where Christine's team comes in.
Release defined.
All right, and who's going to help you deploy it?
That would be Peter in London.
It's my job to ensure your deployment goes smoothly.
Smooth is good, but who supports you, Peter?
That would be the VX SEAL team.
You mean like Navy SEALs?
Exactly like the Navy SEALs, only with laptops. And we can't do quite as many push-ups.
77. 78. That's all I got.
Good job. If a customer needs some help learning how to run VxRail or has a particularly nuanced use case, we've got you.
In order to keep you current on all this goodness, we're going to need the best team. Technical poets that can spin speeds and feeds into tech docs and KBs that you love to read. That's a great song.
Thanks.
And if you need help, you shouldn't have to be on hold with 5 different companies. Whether you need help with hardware or software, there's just one number to call. So,
Call me. Call me.
Call us.
Great. And how do we make sure we continually deliver what customers need?
We can just ask them.
Ask them. Why didn't I think of that?
That's okay, we did.
All we need now is a couple hundred late nights and weekends of teams collaborating around the globe, and there you have it, VxRail. It's fast, easy, it's kind of like a waterfall. Actually, it's not like a waterfall at all. It took a lot of smart, hardworking people to make the complex simple for you. You have things you need to get done. Instead of spending time worrying about infrastructure, spend your time innovating, building, and creating, because we need you to build the world of tomorrow. Because nothing just happens.
We are VxRail.